Now let's discuss the syntax of memory statement. How do we write a memory statement? The syntax to write a memory statement. Basically, what is syntax? A quick recap. Last session in the introduction part, we have discussed what's a syntax. Syntax is the rules to create statements by combining the tokens. If we can't combine the tokens in the right way, then it never frames a statement and your translator fails to understand what we're trying to communicate with the machine. So syntax plays a vital role, and the syntax of memory statement, what we write, comes by data type, name. That's all, just 2 tokens. A statement is not framed by combining all 5 tokens every time. No, we pick up few tokens from the lot of 5 and then we build a statement. That's all. So that's the syntax of memory statement. Data type in most of the cases is a keyword and name is an identifier. We have already discussed keywords are words that are defined in the language. They have a proper meaning. Developer or a programmer can neither create them nor he can change the meaning of these keywords. Similarly, identifiers are names given by the programmer. These names can be changed from time to time. Meanings of the names can change. So this is up to the developer or the programmer, whereas keyword is completely controlled by the language. And the syntax to build a memory statement is data type, name. Now, what data types do we have? Yeah. When you look into languages, multiple programming languages, each one talks of different data types. That's fine. The subcategories might be numerous, but the core categories are only 4. We do just have 4 types of data types. What are these? Number type of value is stored in the system. String type of values are stored in the system, group of alphanumeric characters. Yeah, Boolean values are stored, which are either true or false. And finally, we have void, which basically indicates nothing. People who come from physical science background, physics background, understand vacuum. What's there in vacuum? Nothing. But still, it has a lot of significance in physics. Similarly, void also indicates nothing, but has a lot of significance in computer science. So these are the 4 major data types which we have in our programming. All languages support these 4. Okay. But there are further subcategories of these data types, like number type, numeric type, when we take them. They could be decimal points, floating points, or integers. Yeah, these are the types what we have in number, floating point, and integers. In floating point, again, to store up to decimal precision of 6 and to store to a decimal precision of 12 to 14. Some languages support, a very minute level of precision which can be stored. High degree of precision can be stored. Similarly, when it comes to integers, we have int and long. In one case, like we can have values up to 6 digits, like I can store score or I can have PIN code. And when it comes to, Aadhaar card number, when it comes to my credit card number, these are quite bigger in size, right? Then those values, we tend to store them in long data type. So these are numeric categories. They can have further subcategories depending upon the language. We will explore them, but these are some broad categories, what we are classifying them into. Fine. And next, the second type happens to be the string type, which could be a single character or it could be a group of characters as well. Most of the languages now also support Unicode characters from all the languages across the globe. Earlier, we had only ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, where only English characters were understood by the system. But now, it's been global. Information technology is used globally. So they have supported Unicode, universal characters. All language letters, characters are recognized in this string where we have single character. And at the same time, we can store multiple characters also in the form of string, like names of people, date, time, and only time. These are the different patterns which are recognized under string. And then we have Boolean type and void type. Boolean generally indicates true or false. In some languages, it is 0 and non-zero. In some languages, it is true or false. And void, as we already mentioned, it denotes nothing. So these are the four broad data types what we have in the programming languages. Each language supports again subcategories in them. Yeah, but these are the basic primitive data types across all the languages. And just to end with this syntax, it is data type name. Fine. How to use this memory statements further, how to build the identifiers, we will see in our next video. Thank you.